Hi everyone. In this video, we will show you how to track journaling time as mindful minutes in iOS 18's Health app. First, launch the Journal app on your device. Now browse through all the features of the app. To start the journal, tap the plus icon at the bottom of the screen. You can select any moment and start writing. Next, tap the New Entry option to start writing your journal. Once you're done, hit the Done button to save your journal. Then, go to the home screen of the app where you will find all the saved notes. There is a three dots icon in the top right corner and then tap on it. Select the Health Access option from the menu list. After that, tap the Allow button to start tracking your journal time as mindful minutes. Thanks for watching. Like the video and subscribe to the channel for more content like this.